All right, there is a snake. Oh, it's crawling up in my truck. I gotta grab this sucker. Oh God, he's up in my truck. Come on, stick your head out here. I gotta grab it. All right, I'll get him out of here with this thing. Oh, he's down. Oh, nope. Oh my God. Okay, well, I got him out. I think this is the one that lived in my shed back there that I saw, and I kind of left him. But I wonder if he stinks real bad. That's why I don't want to pick him up. Some of these smell like a skunk. And I do not want to smell like a skunk. And he's a mean sucker too. Look at him. Look at him trying to get underneath. Watch out, Tyson, don't go over there. You getting a video too? Holy cow. Yeah, if he goes that way, I'll let him go. Get to moving, Mr. Snake. Get to moving. I'm gonna let him live. They're not venomous and he eats mice, so he can live. He just gotta get over here. No way he can climb that tree. I'll be super surprised if he can climb this tree. Trying to get out of the water, I imagine. Dang, that's crazy. Look at him climb that tree. Get out of here, dude. I don't think I've seen a snake climb a tree. I don't think I've seen a snake climb a tree before. Boy, he's been eating good. He's a big old healthy sucker. That's crazy, he's climbing a tree. He's gonna go up in that crook up there and chill out because I just threw him around. That's crazy.